construction is undergoing a transformation. We believe its future is built in wood. OnWood is a Finnish industrial wood construction specialist with experience from around 700 delivered projects. At OnWood, industrial construction always takes place indoors. At our 4 production facilities, where buildings are completed up to 90% ready. This allows on-site work to be kept to a minimum. Our locations are at the heart of Finnish construction. In Salo, Jokiuonen, Hämeenlinna, and Halsua. Industrial wood construction combines efficiency, high quality, and environmental responsibility. At OnWood, modern factory technology, certified processes, and strong expertise ensure overall quality and production efficiency. An automated saw processes timber directly according to the 3D model, with millimeter precision, detailed joints included, and automatically adds unique ID markings to each component for the next production stages. On our automated timber element line, every work phase, fastening, cutting, and openings, is carried out precisely according to the 3D model. We set high standards for ourselves. We continuously develop new, increasingly versatile timber structural solutions. In addition to traditional timber frame structures, we manufacture buildings using LVL ripped slabs, CLT elements, and log construction. We continuously develop our expertise to deliver even the most demanding timber construction projects. Together with our strong Finnish owner, the family-owned large enterprise OnWood, our goal is to grow into Finland's leading timber construction company, OnWood, in its time and ahead of it.